Hello everyone. So this question we have taken from one of the American math exam. I hope you will enjoy this question. So in this question we are given a large circle and two circles which are fitting inside it, and they are touching the larger circle tangentially. Tangentially means this is perpendicular. The radius of the small circle will be perpendicular. Okay, I'll just make it little larger. This will be perpendicular. Similarly, the left side circle, this white circle with radius 3 is also touching tangentially. That means if I draw a radius from the center, this will also be perpendicular. This will also be perpendicular. What does that mean? That means these two centers of the circle lie on a straight line. They lie on a straight line. And they are also passing through the center of the larger circle. They are also passing through the center of the larger circle. So what do we need to do? We need to find the shaded area. This orange area we need to find out. Okay, let's try this. So first of all, I'll be drawing a straight line that will be passing through the center of these two white circles, and that will also pass through the center of the larger circle, the largest circle. Okay, so this straight line I have drawn. As it is given in the figure, this is 3, this will also be 3. This is 2, this will also be 2. And what will be the total length? Let it be AB. Let it be AB. What will be the total length of AB? That will be 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. That will be 10. Okay. So AB is nothing but the diameter of the largest circle. Yes, that is the diameter of the largest circle. So what will be the orange area? Let me find it out. Orange area. Orange area will be, or shaded area. Shaded area will be area of largest circle minus area of two white circles. Yes. So what is the area of largest circle? See, AB is the diameter of the largest circle, that is 10. So radius of the largest circle will be 5. Yes. So if radius of the largest circle is 5, area will be pi r square. That means pi 5 square. What will be the area of two white circles? Area of one white circle will be pi 3 square, pi r square minus pi 2 square. Correct? So I can take pi common from all three of them, and we will be left with 25 minus 9 minus 4, and what we will get? We will get 12 pi. So 12 pi will be the shaded area. This will be our final answer. The shaded area is 12 pi. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.